Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you RIB CostX estimating software review. Wondering if RIB CostX is worth it? Developed by German-based RIB software, RIB CostX is a powerful estimating tool designed for construction professionals. It combines 2D and 3D takeoff BIM integration and detailed reporting in one platform, making cost estimation faster, more accurate, and more collaborative. Among its strengths are advanced takeoff tools with live link workbooks, 5D BMI capabilities, customizable reports, and seamless teamwork through cloud or network deployment. On the downside, it comes with a steep learning curve, complex report customization, and higher infrastructure demands, meaning training and proper setup are essential. So, is it worth it? For construction teams and surveyors seeking precision, efficiency, and better project control, RIB CostX stands as a cutting edge solution, offering long term value for those ready to invest in its training and implementation. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.